Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to install Arch Linux 2023.12 Cinnamon desktop on VirtualBox 7.0. So this is my latest version, updated version of VirtualBox 7.0. So first step is I am going to create one Arch Linux 2023 virtual machine. So I am giving some name to my virtual machine. Next I am browsing the folder, that is where Arch Linux virtual machine is going to be stored. Next I am browsing the ISO image file of Arch Linux 2023.12. Okay, open, that's it. So now you can see I am going to allocate 8 GB RAM and 4 CPU cores. Next I am going to allocate 40 GB virtual hard disk size. Next, finish, that's it. Okay, now once again go to settings, system, motherboard, uncheck floppy. So optical drive will be the first device in boot order. So pointing device should be USB tablet. Network, it will be NAT. We need internet connection. So we need internet connection to download and install packages. Okay. Okay. Let us start Arch Linux 2023.12. Okay. So boot menu arrived. I am selecting the first option. Okay. So Arch install is the command we need to type in order to proceed with the Arch install instruction, Arch Linux install instruction. Okay, you can see this menu had arrived. So I am selecting the mirrors. So please select the fastest and appropriate mirrors. Okay, nearby your area or something else. Okay, so should be fast mirror. Okay, that's it. Click back. Okay, now come to disk configuration. Okay, so I am selecting the first option, use the best effort default partition layout. Okay, select first one, that is hard disk, virtual hard disk. Okay, next I am selecting BTRFS file system, BTRFS. Okay, yes. Okay, so I am not selecting disk encryption. So bootloader will be grub, swap true. Okay, hostname let it be Arch Linux. Now I am providing the password to the root. So I am providing the root password now. So I am giving very small password only because I am using the Linux in home. Next I am creating one login user. Provide the password for the login user. Yes. Should Java Forum be a super user? Yes. Okay. Confirm and exit. Okay. Next, I am selecting the profile, desktop. Profile desktop. I am selecting the Cinnamon. I am selecting the Cinnamon. Next, graphics driver, let it be all open source. Okay, I am selecting the option all open source. So okay, come back. Okay, so here I am not installing audio driver. Okay, first I am testing for the GUI mode. Okay, desktop. Okay, so if you want additional packages means you can select this option. So I want Firefox and VLC. Okay, network configuration, go to network configuration, use network manager. Okay, necessary to configure internet. Okay, time zone, select accordingly to location. Go to time zone, I am selecting my locale. So Asia, Calcutta. Select according to your locate. Okay, that's it. So minimal configuration only I have did. Finally install. That's it. Yes. So installation started. So make sure that you have internet connection, fast internet connection, because it will download additional packages from mirrors. Okay, installation is completed. So would you like to chroot into newly created? Yes. So I am not going to do anything in chroot, so I am exiting. So you can see the confirmation message, installation completed without any errors. Okay, now what I am doing, I am going to shut down now. Okay, so once again what I am going to do, go to VirtualBox settings. Okay, VirtualBox settings, go to storage. I am going to remove the Arch Linux ISO file. Okay, next I am going to add VirtualBox guest edition ISO file. Next, go to system motherboard, uncheck the optical drive. Hard disk is the only device in the boot order. So now the machine will be getting booted in hard disk. So now I have successfully logged in. This is the Cinnamon desktop of Arch Linux. Okay, so I have opened the terminal. So this is my first command after rebooting my machine with Guy. Okay. So sudo pacman -sy Linux header. So I am installing the Linux headers. So Linux headers is required by VirtualBox guest edition software. So it's getting downloaded from internet and installed. Yes, so Linux header is successfully installed. Okay, now next what I am going to do, I am going to install VirtualBox guest edition software. What I am going to do is I am going to copy the content of guest edition software. Locally I am creating one directory. Okay, there I will copy the guest edition software content. From there I am going to install the guest edition software. So first I am giving the permission to all the files and directories. So login as a root user. Make sure that you are logged as a root user. Then only you can install the guest edition software. /vbox linux edition.run. Yes. So guest edition software installed successfully. Okay, so next I am going to shut down the machine. Go to settings, general, advanced, share clipboard and drag and drop bidirectional. Come to shared folders. So I am mounting one Windows host machines folder as a shared folder to Arch Linux. Okay, auto mount, select auto mount. Okay, now let us see what's going to happen. Start the mission. Yes, so I have rebooted. Now I am going to open the terminal, run some commands. Let me run some commands. So after running the commands, I am going to copy paste the terminal output to Windows host machine notepad to check whether share the clipboard is working or not. Okay, let me copy the terminal output. go to yes, paste, that's it. Now let me try from Windows Source Machine to Arch Linux Virtual Machine. So Cinnamon desktop is working fine for me with the guest edition. Okay, so please check from your side also which desktop is suitable for you. Yes, I can able to copy paste. So share clipboard is working fine for me. Next I am going to check the shared folders feature. Next I am going to open the file manager. So you can see that shared folder is already mounted, so but you can't access it directly. Okay, now coming to home directory, you can see open as root, right click open as root. Yes, I can able to open the file manager as a root user. Now I can able to access the shared folder content. Okay, now if you want to any copy the content, means you can copy paste, okay, from shared folder to local or from local to shared folder, whatever you can do, but you can do it as a root user only. Okay, so finally I am giving permission to my local user. Okay, so finally I am giving my permission to local user. So now I am opening this video clip in VLC media player. So this is my VLC media player. Let me open it. Yes, so you can see VLC media player is playing my file, video file successfully. So Arch Linux 2023.12 Cinnamon desktop installation on VirtualBox 7.0 with guest edition is success.